Good morning! So what are we doing today?
Today is our softball game for charity, California Strong, so I'm really excited. Last time, I pointed into the outfield, this is 8th grade, and like I was Babe Ruth, and then I went up and struck out, and it was the last game of the season. I haven't played baseball since. So, today I'm gonna make my family proud. Or not proud.
You've got this.
Gonna be close. Out at first.
So I'm super spray tanned right now, and look at this cute little robe. It's from Tan Luxe. But I thought I would do a little get ready with me because today's gonna be like natural, whatever, but I still want to look a little cute, you know? This potato is about to turn into a sweet potato.
My favorite.
Are you gonna do the get ready with me?
Yeah, I'm gonna do your contour.
You're gonna do my contour?
Yeah.
Sweet. So I thought I'd just do a little daytime look, get ready with me kind of thing. I did get some new products, so I thought I'd like play with some of those, and yeah, let's just see where this thing goes. So I'm gonna start out by moisturizing my face. Using this stuff. It's really great. It's more of like a serum, which I think really helps make my skin look glowy. And I find that if you like press it into the skin, it stays in way better. And I'm also going to take some of this Evian facial spray. I love this stuff. I actually just rebought it. I used to use it a lot, but I don't really know what happened. I like forgot about it, and I used it the other day, and I was like, why has this not been in my makeup drawer? It's really good. And we are just gonna prep that skin, girl. I'm going to be using some of this Dior Skin Glow. I think I just got in my eyeball. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. I like this stuff because it's super buildable and it didn't hurt my eyeball when I got into it. So don't try that at home, folks. So since it's daytime, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a lighter coverage-ish type of concealer. So I'm gonna use this Hourglass one in shade Sepia. Now I'm going to use some of these Cover FX drops as a liquid highlighter. I feel like liquid highlight really helps give you that like glass looking skin. So I always like to add a little bit. Now I'm just gonna set some of these areas of my face. I'm not gonna bake or anything. I just wanna set them so it doesn't move and doesn't crease as much. And I'm just gonna be using the light shades in the Anastasia contour kit. I'm also gonna go in with just a smaller brush. This one's from Tarte in the lightest shade, and kind of prep my eyelids because they're kind of veiny. Damn, this foundation is working. I love it. Now I'm gonna go in with Hoola. I feel like it's a really pretty tone bronzer, little dual-ended fiber brush. That might not be the name of this, but you see what I mean. So going to be placing this on my forehead, well, on my 5 head to make it a 4 head. So, yep, it's happening. And for blush, I'm using this little blush trio, and I'm gonna use mainly the middle shade. I like how it's pinky because this foundation and stuff is definitely a little bit yellow toned, which I love, but I need to like warm it back up so I don't look like a yellow robot. Now for brows, we're gonna all be in this together because I'm nervous. I'll say it. I ran out of my like usual go-to. So we're gonna go in with the little pomade. I used to use this a lot, but haven't tried it in a sec, but let's give it a shot. Now I'm just gonna go in with a little easy nose contour. I know it's like an everyday look, but I have a little bit of time, so I'm gonna do one. Use this, this, and this. For eyeshadow today, I think I'm gonna keep it fairly simple. I'm just gonna use this little quad that I have from MAC. And I'm going to lighten up my lid using the lightest shade because it's daytime. I'm awake, I'm alive. I just had caffeine. And now I'm just gonna like contour my eyelid a little bit and make my eyes pop by using this light brown shade. I like how the MAC eyeshadows blend a lot on the skin, but you could also use a bronzer or really any light brown shade would work. Putting this under your eye really gives you that like sultry, like I'm squinting kind of look. I feel like it's like a sexy line. And now I'm just gonna go in with a Kat Von D brown eyeliner. You could use any brown eyeliner. I just feel like brown really makes my eyes pop and it's not so harsh for daytime. So yeah, I like the dark brown. And I'm also probably gonna go in and smudge it after just to make it more of a smoky line instead of a really harsh, angry line. So I really want my lashes to pop today since it's kind of a more simple eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with this Tarte Man-Eater mascara. I've been really liking it lately. I'm just gonna use a little bit of a lip liner. This is the Il Makiage Carly Bible one. I don't wear a lip liner every day, but I like how it kind of stains my lips. So if this stuff comes off, then we Gucci. Gucci. I'm also gonna use Modesty by MAC. Seen better days. Long story short, it melted in my car. Tried to make it happen. Whatever, I'm still using it. And gonna top it off with some Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This stuff is so good. Okay, here is today's outfit. We have this little top. I believe it's from Revolve. Very cute. I don't know if it goes up or down, but I'll just put it in the middle. Got these little boyfriend jeans, Matisse booties, and now we got to go.